Okay, so I'm getting ready to wrap this clutch job up, but I'm gonna have to fill the transmission, the manual transmission obviously, with some fluid. So it just so happens that my reverse lights switch didn't work. So it was right there and I took that out. But first, of course, you need to drain the fluid, and there's the plug to do it. Make sure you got your pan and be safe. Safety first, folks. So this came out of that hole right there where that funnel is. This is the reverse light switch, so I got a replacement one of those. The way I tested that is actually I took the car battery and stuck 2 wires in there to the negative and positive to the battery, and the reverse lights turned on after years of not functioning. So now I know that I need a new switch. So I took that out. I'm going to put the new one in, but first I'm going to fill the transmission oil. So there's 2 ways you can fill here. You can do it this way, or if you're only changing the fluid for maintenance, you have your fill plug, which is right down here on the front driver's side. This is the plug, and that's a 17 millimeter. So you can fill in through there, and basically you know it's full if the fluid starts to pour out of that hole. So I'm going to fill from the top and wait till it pours out, or you can stick your finger in there and check to see if it's full or not. I've been running regular conventional in this transmission, but a lot of people will tell you don't change over to synthetic if you've been running it that way. But I think I'm just going to take a risk and change it up. Why not get the best? 75W90 GL4 is what you want for the 2003 Hyundai Accent with the manual transmission. So I'm going to put that in. Calls for 2.2 liters in this car, so bottoms up. Now I'm just going to watch as that hole, I've already filled most of it, and actually I just noticed I see it dripping out of the bottom, out of that hole. So it's time to plug it up and call it good.